If you have completed all of your work for today and have class time left, here are some options of activities you may do with your remaining class time. Our first one is Geoguesser. Here you'll be given a random Google Map image, and you're going to use this image to collect clues to pinpoint this location on a map. You can do the world, you can do famous places, or you can view images based on the country. This is free. You do not need to sign up for an account. Our next option is City Guesser. Like Geoguesser, you're given a location randomly from Google Maps, except this time you're given a video, and you can use the video to collect clues, again, to pinpoint it on the map. The closer you are to the actual location, the more points you get. Your next option is Free Rice. This is through the World Food Program, so you're given vocabulary questions. As you answer questions, advertisements show up on the screen. Those advertisements generate financial payments to the World Food Organization, who is working to end world hunger. So you get to increase your vocabulary while helping others. Next is TED Ed. This is an opportunity to just watch some short videos on some subjects that interest you. You can search by subject. They give you a lot of options, or you can just look at the options that they're giving you on their homepage. Your fifth option is called the 5-Clue Challenge. And here there are videos. In each of these videos, you get 5 clues to try and guess either the location, the animal, or other mysteries around the world. Your goal is to try to see if you can guess what it is before you're given all 5 clues. You can pause the video at any time to do your own research. And our final option is called Dollar Street. And this is an opportunity to learn about how families live around the world. You are given, I'll go back here, you're given options of families around the world and what their monthly expenses are. So you're going from very low expenses to very high expenses. You can click on a family. It will give you information about this family. It will also give you the opportunity to look at pictures or videos talking about how they live. This is a great opportunity to see how other people and families live around the world. These are your options. The links again will be available on Google Classroom. Have fun doing your work.